In this video I'm going to show you how to find the IP address of your computer. So we'll go to a command prompt, so we'll search Cortana for cmd command prompt, and at the command prompt we're going to type in the command ipconfig, and then when we press enter you'll see that it gives us an IP address, this IPv4 address 172.31.11.151. That's the IP address of this computer. So no other computer on this network will have that IP address. That's its unique identifier. This is the subnet mask. This other information here is the default gateway. This is generally the router or the server which allows access to the internet. So the default gateway in our case here is 172.31.0.1. Your support is really important to us, so if you wouldn't mind, please go and visit our YouTube channel and click the subscribe button. That would be really appreciated. Thank you.